Good morning, Mumbai, and hello world. We are at India ESSEN Welding and Cutting 9th International Trade Fair at Bombay Exhibition Center, Hall number 2. And with me, Mr. Anshuman sir and Mr. Sagar sir is here. Both are sales and marketing person, and from JLC ELECTROMET PVT Limited, Jaipur. So, Anshuman sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed here?
We are specifically into nickel and nickel-based specialty alloys. I would like Mr. Sagar to take us through the entire product range.
Yeah.
Over to you, Mr. Sagar.
Yeah, we are the only company manufacturing in India right now making nickel alloys from melting stage, and there are different alloys in nickel. I can show you the product range over here. There are different composition having high nickel alloys, having percentage more than 50% above nickel alloys, and these are the products I can show you in the display. We are making this strips, then this bunching wires, nickel wires. Then all these different alloys are there in here. Copper nickel alloys are there. These are the nickel strips, pure nickel strips. These are the welding electrodes. Here you can see. So we are covering all the nickel alloys.
So, Sagar sir, can you tell me about post-COVID response of welding and cutting industry?
Yeah, post-COVID is better. The industry is coming back, and we are getting a good sales response after COVID. And we are back to exhibit over here after 2 years, and we are getting a good response in a stall even.
So, Sagar sir, can you
Yeah.
brief our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number so people can visit our stall and see live demonstration over here?
Yeah, we are exhibiting in hall number 2, and our booth number is B04. So I will request you to please come and visit our stall.
So, thank you, Sagar sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.